Hello guys, this is me again, and I'm doing the same tutorial but this time in different software. This time we'll be doing picture-in-picture feature for videos in OpenShot Video Editor. It's open source and it's free, so that's really cool. And we have 5 tracks. Now I think we can add more. Yep. So to add pip, let's drag one here, the other one here, and with this selected, you can just press the control, hold it, and you can make pip like that. And basically that's it. The only thing you need to do now is to synchronize the videos, and to synchronize the videos you will need to see the waveform here. So right click on your clip, show waveform, and this will take some time, sadly, so we need to wait depending on the length of the video. For this one, this is over 2 hours long, so for me it took about 2 minutes, I think. I will do the same for the other video. I will pause it now and get back to you when it's done generating the waveform. See you in a bit. Okay, so OpenShot has just finished rendering the waveforms for me, so this is good. It took about 3 minutes, I think. And this time I also will use the trick I used in my previous tutorial, so I will just move this shorter clip to the end of the timeline, so both clips are ending here at the same time. And now I need to find the spot here that will that can be used to synchronize both videos. So I'm moving this I don't know what it is, indicator here by clicking on the timeline up here, and control and mouse wheel up to zoom in so I can see a little bit better. Let's play this, hit space.
Okay, I'm back. How's it going?
Okay,
Okay, so this will be good, but I need to zoom in a little bit more. Okay, so here's...
Okay, I'm back.
Okay, I'm back. And okay, I'm back on my clip below here. I think it's here. This little thingy.
Okay, I'm back.
Yep. So I need to move this more to the left, and let's see.
Okay, I'm back.
A little bit more.
Okay, I'm back. How's it going?
Okay. It's good enough, but remember about what I said, to use a few seconds of silence, the word, and another few seconds of silence, so you can find this easier, this point, to synchronize both clips. And now let's get to the... Actually, you know what, let me save this, because Save project, whatever. Okay, and now let's actually make this pip here, this picture-in-picture part. So as you can see on the preview, let me just make it a little bit bigger. There is this frame with handles, so make sure you have selected the video that you want to be a smaller one, and with holding control, click on any of the handles there. It runs like crap because I don't know why. Maybe my PC is tired. No, actually it's because OpenShot did not recognize my GPU, and it's not hardware GPU accelerated, so maybe this is the reason. Okay, let's move that here, and yeah, here you go.
Okay, I'm back. How's it going?
Okay, so I'm starting a new server. Of course, it could be synchronized a little bit better, but yeah. Okay, maybe let's see some game action.
Lobby called test.
No, it's called
Okay.
bad sets. Maybe I should put more time into this, but you get the idea, so that's what I wanted to show you anyway. Okay, so Mike is checking the map. Oh yeah, and before you render this, you need to get rid of one of the audio tracks for the video. Yeah, preferably remove the sound, the audio track from the pip video here. So select this, right click on it, and select properties to display this left side panel here if it's not showing up for you. And here's the volume, set it to 0.
Whoa, we got a bug.
And yeah, that is it.
Oh, he just disappeared.
Oh, and one more thing, I think these dots here are the keyframes. So if you're making this pip here, go to the beginning of the video and then change the size of the smaller clip and move it. Same for the audio, because it created the keyframe here. So here will be the sound from both videos. Yeah, so what you need to do is to go here and here, select set the volume to 0. That is okay, and same for actually, how do I remove keyframe? Remove keyframe and remove keyframe, and both of these remove keyframes. No. Okay. This also can be removed, and go to the beginning, and now change the size move it to where you want it to be. That's good. And to get rid of the part you don't want, place the cursor here in that place. Use the it's called blades tool. The cursor changes to this line with X-Acto knife, that's what it's called, and click on the videos, on the video clips. Yep. Now select those. Select both clips. With Shift or Control. Yeah, with a Control, and move it to the beginning of the timeline. And yeah, this is how it's done using OpenShot Video Editor. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye!